Hand feeding fish is not that difficult task. It might take up to a week for the fish to get familiar with you. There are certain small things which you need to take care of. One such thing would be observe the fishes carefully. Go to your nearby your aquarium, spend some time there. Then a couple of days, probably what you can try is you can just put your hand inside the aquarium, and so that the fishes will be familiar with your hand. And probably one other thing you can try is you can feed at a regular time. So say if you choose to feed at evening time, probably you can do that for maybe a week. Now, so that by the time when fishes will be familiarized with the time when you feed. So also they will be hungry. So they'll automatically come to your hand. Now these fishes I have trained maybe for a week, and after that they used to come to my hand whenever I feed them. But I'll show you how it happens. See, just this is a fish food I use. You will have to take a little. It's like a thumb of rule here is that 2 pellets for one big fish and 1 pellet for the smaller fishes. Probably just need to see, they are hungry, they are coming to my hand, they are feeding from my hand. So this is an initial state. Now probably you can dip the entire hand in the aquarium maybe in a week, and they will start coming to you and feed from your hand. Now if I put suddenly the hand inside the aquarium, probably they might be fed. They might go away. Certainly they don't like my hand presence over there. Yeah, they slowly. Also probably one more thing you need to take care of is like you have to keep your hand steady, and also never try to touch them. So if you try to touch them, probably they might be more frightful to come to you. That important thing here is you have to take care of the quantity of food you give to your fish. So if you overfeed them, there are high chances are that your fish might get sick. The thing is that the leftover of the food, which will waste the water, which will spoil the water, which will make the fishes prone to diseases. Thank you.